Flexibility is key in today's military. Missions change, environments shift, demands multiply. Adapting quickly is crucial for mission success, and the KC-390 Millennium has set a new standard in flexibility for military transport aviation.
As a pilot, I need an aircraft that is adaptable. The KC-390 can be reconfigured, and therefore I can fly a different mission every day with the same efficiency.
One aircraft, many capabilities. The KC-390 was designed from scratch as a true multi-mission platform. Any reconfiguration takes less than 4 hours, in most cases less than 30 minutes. With a wider, taller, and unobstructed cargo compartment, the KC-390 offers unmatched versatility.
The increased dimensions of the cargo compartment and lack of wheel wells intruding into the cargo space means that we can carry taller and wider vehicles. Combined with the integrated loadmaster station, this not only reduces the workload, but also shortens the turnaround time for us for onloads and offloads.
It can carry up to 7 463L pallets or 24 CDS, capable of carrying hybrid configurations, such as with 6 pallets plus 36 ground troops, something legacy turboprops can't achieve. It also carries ISO containers, heavy vehicles, and ground troops in a very quick turnaround, and with minimum or no ground equipment. Heavy vehicles up to 26 metric tons, 1 Blackhawk, a HIMARS, 3 HMMWVs, or armored vehicles like Pander II. The KC-390 is ready for missions today and in the future.
In combat operations, speed and precision matter. The KC-390 offers both. It's this combination that allows us to offer the support our ground forces need.
For aerial assault, up to 80 paratroopers can jump simultaneously through static line or freefall, ramp or side doors. Special operations with advanced self-protection systems. In resupply missions, the KC-390 delivers up to 24 CDS bundles, or heavy loads up to 24 tons with precision.
From combat offload to humanitarian aid, from medevac to firefighting, we can reconfigure the aircraft in a few minutes. The KC-390 is now the global standard for multi-mission capability and flexibility.
Medevac with up to 74 liters, or with a specialized medical module with intensive care units. Search and rescue with EOIR sensors. In-flight installed bubble windows. Additional fuel tanks. Humanitarian aid with the most adequate cargo compartment. Firefighting with the roll-on, roll-off MAFS 2 solution. The same aircraft with all these configurations and capabilities has K in its name. The reason is simple. With no need for a integrated tanker version, any KC-390 Millennium can be reconfigured in less than 4 hours as aerial refueler with warps and additional fuel tanks in the cargo compartment.
This is the tactical airlifter that all loadmasters dream about, combining the highest levels of speed, efficiency, and safety, enabling us to make the mission happen. And it's absolutely gorgeous to look at.
The KC-390 is one of a kind. Air Forces no longer needs to have a dedicated tanker. This aircraft can be re-rolled into a tanker in the day. It could fly an airdrop mission the following day. This takes versatility to a whole new level.
Chosen by Air Forces worldwide, the KC-390 Millennium delivers unbeatable flexibility to meet the challenges of today and tomorrow.
You don't need to take my opinion about the excellence of the KC-390. If you look at the flags behind me, you see those customers who have already selected this aircraft. A picture paints 1,000 words.
all-rounder aircraft.